Donations to the Biju Janata Dal have dried up following its defeat in the recent elections. According to data submitted to the Election Commission, the BJD has not received any fresh donations after losing power. In contrast, leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party have made significant contributions to their party. During the 2024 to 2025 financial year, the BJD received around 60 crore rupees in donations, most of which came during the April to May election period. However, after the elections, no additional donations were reported, despite the party holding assets worth over 720 crore rupees. BJD Treasurer Subhash Singh stated that the party's income for the financial year, excluding election donations, stood at 50 crore rupees. Including election time contributions, the BJD's total income crossed 110 crore rupees.
नवीन जिते बड़े कल देवे जिते बड़े जा अनुरोध जो करेंगे भी सहयोग करने सारा राज्यर 7.5 कोटी लोक भितर अधिकांश लोक मोर देन 70% लोक सहयोग करने रेडी अच्छा कंपानी फपानी जी जहाँ सहयोग करती समस्त नवीन पट्टनायक स्वच्छता उपर निष्ठा उपर दल गढ़वे ओडिशा को जातीय मानचित्र आणवे किसी असुविधा नहीं.
Meanwhile, affidavits filed by the BJP reveal substantial contributions from its leaders. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Majhi donated 5 lakh rupees to the party. Both Deputy Chief Ministers, along with several ministers, also contributed 5 lakh rupees each. Odisha members of Parliament donated between 1 lakh and 2 lakh rupees. Union Minister Jewel Oram and BJP National Vice President Baijan Panda contributed 5 lakh rupees each, while Aparajita Sodhangi donated 50,000 rupees. State legislators donated amounts ranging from 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees, and Government Chief Vip Saroj Pradhan contributed 5 lakh rupees. Former BJP MLAs donated 25,000 rupees each. Nationwide, the BJP reportedly received over 6,650 crore rupees in donations within a single year. These disclosures come after the Supreme Court struck down the electoral bond scheme, directing political parties to make the donation details public.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी हूँ केडर बेस्ड पार्टी ये लोक चंदा आदाय करे ना आम मान को विधायक मान कहुई मंत्री मान को कहुई एमपी मान को कहुई कार्यकर्ता मान को कहुई आम समस्ते चंदा दौर दल केमती चलो भल भाव चलो दल केमती सुदृढ़ हम